Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix music failed to play trackers error on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, the start device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and click on scroll down and search music app from here. Click on music app, click on storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache music app. After clear cache music app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset. Reset phone and reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix music failed to play trackers error on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.